Purvanjal from MS School, your math teacher. In previous video, we have learned about how to find the distance for long jump, right? In that exercise, we have find the distance between the jumps for the children. Now, today we are going to start with the word problem. Let's start. What is our topic today? Solve the problems. Right? And our first number is, okay, I am writing your question. Manish is 150 centimeter tall. His sister is 117 centimeter tall. Who is taller from both? Question mark. And second one question is how much? Okay, now just look at this question here. Our question is Manish is 150 centimeter tall. Means Manish 150 centimeter लंबा है. His sister is 117 centimeter tall. That means उसकी जो sister है, किसकी? मनीष की sister है, वो 117 centimeter tall है. Who is taller from both? मतलब दोनों में से मनीष और उसकी sister में से कौन ज़्यादा tall है, right? That we have to find in this sum. So we are starting here our answer. First we are writing statement and information of that. Which statement? This. First we have to write this 150 centimeter. Why? Because we have to do here subtraction. Because we have to find the difference between the both of them, right? So we need to do here subtraction, right? So first we are writing 150 centimeter because 150 centimeter is bigger than this 117 centimeter. So first we are writing height of Manish, which is 150 centimeter, and then we have to write height of his sister, which is 170 centimeter. So here we are doing subtraction because in our question we have to find the difference between the both of their heights, right? So we need to do here subtraction. So first just check here, first digit is 0 and second digit is 7. That means we can't subtract this 7 from this 0. So we are taking here, we are borrowing here 10 number, right? And we are cutting previous number and we are putting here 1 number less, right? Now we are doing subtraction. We are cutting this 7 from this 10. So we will get 3. And for this, from this 4, we are cutting this 1. That means 4 minus 1, 3. And 1 minus 1, 0. That means we got our final answer 33 centimeter, right? So we can write here at the last that Manish, our question is who is taller from both. So just check here, Manish is tall. Manish is taller, right? How much? So 33 centimeter. This is our final answer. Again I am explaining. First we are having information of height of Manish, which is 150 centimeter, and of his sister, which is 117 centimeter. And now we have to find who is taller from both and how much. So first we have to decide that who is taller, right? So first height of Manish is 150 centimeter and height of his sister 117 centimeter. And we need to do subtraction here for find the difference. So we have got our final answer 33 33 centimeter. And our final answer is Manish is taller and how much? So 33 centimeter. Now next number is 2. And our question is Suresh is 1 meter and 24 centimeter tall. Meenal is 15 centimeter shorter than him. What is the total height of both of them? Okay, our question is Suresh is 1 meter and 24 centimeter tall and Meenal is 15 centimeter shorter than him. What is the total height of both of them? This sum is little bit different for you because in this sum we have to find two methods, right? Two sums we have to write. So first we have to find height of Meenal, right? Suresh is 1 meter and 24 centimeter tall. Suresh 1 meter and 24 centimeter tall है and Meenal is 15 centimeter shorter than him. That means हमारे पास Meenal की perfect height नहीं है, right? So first we have to find the height of Meenal. So our answer is height of Suresh, which is of 1 meter and 24 centimeter as per our question, and height of Meenal, which is shorter. We have to mention here shorter because we don't have perfect height of Meenal, right? So from this we are cutting this 15 centimeter. Why? Because we have to find height of Meenal. Again, height of Suresh we are having 1 meter and 24 centimeter. And height of Meenal, which is shorter, that is 15 centimeter. So first we are cutting this 15 centimeter from this 1 meter and 24 centimeter, right? So firstly we have to cut this 4 and we are putting here 40. Why? Because we are borrowing from previous number, right? And cut this 2 and put one number less, which is 1. And then 1, right? That means 14 minus 5, 9, and 1 minus 1, 0. And here there is no any previous number, right? So we are copying this 1. We are writing this 1 directly because there is no any digit downside. So you can write here 0 by yourself, right? So we got our final answer 1 meter and 9 centimeter, right? This is height of Meenal. Now we have to find total height of both of them. That means total word is used here. That means we have to do addition here. So first we'll add this 1 meter and 9 centimeter in this 1 meter and 24 centimeter because this is height of Meenal and this is height of Suresh, right? So now total height of both of them. Height of Suresh, which is 1 meter and 24 centimeter. Already we are having, right? And just now we find height of meter, which is 1 meter and 9 centimeter. And the word here, total is given, right? That means we need to do addition. And 4 plus 9, right? That means 30. We are carrying one number on previous number. 2 plus 1, 3. And 1 plus 1, 2. That means we got our final answer. 2 meter and 33 centimeter. Now we can say that the total height of both of them is 2 meter and 33 centimeter. Number 3. Sunil is going to Ahmedabad 25 kilometer far from a place, and Naren is going to Mehsana 45 kilometer far from the same place. Both are going in opposite direction. Then what is the distance from Ahmedabad to Mehsana? Okay, this question is little bit big for you and complicated for you, but I am giving you explanation. What is information? Sunil is going to Ahmedabad 25 kilometer far from a place, and Naren is going to Mehsana 45 kilometer far from the same place, right? So firstly, suppose we are having one particular place, right? And Sunil is going to Ahmedabad, right? Which is far from 25 kilometer, right? And Naren is going to Mehsana at the same place, which is 45 kilometer far away, right? Suppose this steady place we are having, and Sunil is going to Ahmedabad, A for Ahmedabad, which is 25 kilometer far, and Naren is going to Mehsana, which is 45 kilometer far away. They both are going from the same place, right? So we have to find this total distance from Ahmedabad to Mehsana, right? So firstly, we have to do addition for this two number, right? So distance of Ahmedabad is we are having 25 kilometer. Distance of Mehsana is 45 kilometer. We need to do addition. 5 plus 5, 10. So we are putting 0 here and we are carrying 1 on previous number. 2 plus 4, 6, and 6 plus 1, 7. So we are doing here addition. 2 plus 4, 6, and 6 plus 1, 7. So we got final answer 70 kilometer. Now this is the distance between Mehsana and Ahmedabad, right? So we are writing here distance from Ahmedabad to Mehsana is 70 kilometer. I hope that all you have understood what is being taught by me, right, in this video. Now in next video, we will learn about the more problem sum, right? And now I will send PDF to a WhatsApp group. Thank you. Have a nice day.